Hello, my crafty friends. I sure hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. Today, I received a design team package from ASC Craft Supplies. In it is this beautiful collection by Mintay called Glam Rock. There are three elements to this collection, including the chipboard stickers, the 6x6, and the 12x12. These are available at ASC Craft Supplies. You can visit them on the web or on their Etsy store. Also, please feel free to use my coupon code ROBYN10, that's all in capital letters, to receive a 10% discount upon checkout. I'm going to clean off my desktop so we can review this collection in further detail. I'll be right back. This is the Mintay Glam Rock 12x12 collection. In it, you receive 12 sheets plus a bonus. There are two each of 6 designs, and they are absolutely beautiful. This is such a feminine and super chic collection. I absolutely love it. As with all Mintay collections, on the back of the front cover, you receive several cut-aparts. I love them. I especially love this large star here. You have a heart, a microphone, makeup. These high heel shoes are to die for. This leather coat and beautiful floral elements. This is the first design, and I love the floral background, and you have this rock star setup here with the speakers and the microphone. You've got more floral elements here with another speaker. You've got these high heel shoes, and I love this leather jacket. And here is a guitar hidden in the upper right hand corner. This is the back. You have this all over leopard print. The next sheet is ultra glam. You have this diamond print in the background. I can imagine that that's leather. And then you have the lighted mirror in the background, and flanking either side you have this beautiful floral spray with makeup brushes and a mirror. And on the upper right side you've got the leather jacket, earphones, and there's that beautiful patent leather high heel shoe, which every woman needs in their closet. On the back you have this beautiful print. This almost reminds me of a print that you'd see on a bandana. This is the next design, and again you've got these beautiful floral prints on either side. Here you have this beautiful crystal chandelier, the leather jacket, the star hiding in the back, and I just love this guitar detail. And here on the bottom you have this beautiful vanity with this heart-shaped mirror, and I love this little cushion here. On the back you have this all over muted gold pattern with rivets. Next you have this beautiful floral print set against this gold background. I love these beautiful roses. They just seem to jump off the page. On the back you have a black denim pattern. Next we have an all over floral print. The background is black. This is so pretty. This is the opposite side. You have this muted wood grain in a mauve and pink color. I love the distressing of this. And last but not least, you have these wonderful cut-aparts. This is so much fun. I can see these used in a pop-up card, in a journal, or a mini album. Now, the great thing about Mintay papers is that it's a nice heavy weight. So when you turn this over, you have these beautiful patterns on the background, but I wouldn't even cover this up. The paperweight is sturdy enough that you can use each of these cards individually. Next, we have the 6x6 collection, which is exactly like the 12x12. However, the images have been minimized to fit nicely on a card. So I'll go through this fairly quickly. Last but not least, we have the cardboard stickers. Each of these circles pop out. You've got the leopard print, the floral designs, Divalicious, Shine Like a Star. I love these little tags here. And then, of course, you have all of these sentiments here. It's a girl thing, be savage, not average, heartbreaker, sparkle every day, wild and free, glam rock. This is so much fun and a perfect complement to the paper collection. This concludes my review of the Mintay Glam Rock paper collection. Hopefully I've inspired you with new and creative ideas. If you like this video, please take a moment to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, please check back to see what wonderful projects I've created with this paper collection. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and happy crafting.